Alright, today we're enhancing your weapons. On this episode, we'll be replacing the 10 round fixed magazine on the SKS with this detachable 30 round Duckbill magazine. Now, I am in Canada, so keep in mind it is a 30 round mag, but it has been pinned to only 5 rounds. Alright, before we get started, if you want to see any of the other episodes for the SKS rifle, look in the description and you'll see the links for the other videos. Alright, for this installation, all you'll need is the rifle, the 30 round magazine, and a steel punch. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is clear the rifle. Alright, you can see the follower and the receiver's held open. So we're clear. Alright, so the first step, what you want to do is take the rifle. First thing is you have to make sure you put the safety on. Put the safety on. Using the steel punch. You'll see this little silver circle right here. What you need to do is use the steel punch and push into that. When you do that, trigger assembly is going to go this way, everything else is going to go that way. So hang on to it so it doesn't fall. There you go, you hear it click. Remove the trigger assembly. Remove the fixed magazine. Put the trigger assembly right back in. I just give it a bear hug. And there you go. Let's take a close look at our final product. From the other side. Alright, there's a few small things I want to mention about this magazine. The first thing is, with a detachable magazine, you have to actually have the receiver open to remove and insert the magazine. If it's closed, it just won't work. So a little tip I can give: if you have the receiver closed, it is virtually impossible to hold it open and put the mag in. So a tip that everyone who owns an SKS should know: you can reach inside and push this little tab up. You can see it there. I will hold the receiver open so that you can insert the mag. Alright, one more small quick thing I want to mention about this magazine is that it did not actually function perfectly right out of the box. It had some feeding issues, so what I had to do to fix it was take pliers and bend this little metal tab downward a little bit, down this way a bit, so that it would fit tighter in the rifle. Since I've done that, I haven't had any issues. Works great.